update. It will be same as this Gen update, but the Gen areas you can see this event, the tree, this all will get changed. And you need to, as you see, I am on stage 6, and now I'm going to tell you what you need to buy before the event. But this important. So here the seed patch is not that important to the net. I think at the next update it will be also there. But the seeds that are in shop, you need to buy them because they will help you a lot. Because I think they will gonna do. As you can see, pets are also opted, so you can also get the pets. And don't forget that don't restore the shop many times. As you can see, I need to pay 1 trillion for the next restore. And if you wanna level up your 3 to other stage, so for that you need to collect as many as super apples you can. And I think also there will be new ads seeds, and I think and I'm going to tell you a tip to be rich. This is a starfish, and if someone will gift you a starfish, so you can sell it. So if you will do it of level 75, so it will sold for 1 trillion, which is a good deal, and you can be rich by that and become a trillionaire. And as I was talking about the new ads, I think the summer ads will get replaced. It might then happen, I'm not sure. So I suggest to people how much you can get. The rare summer ads take that much. The tokens will help you so much. And also the parasite, because of ostrich, they both will help. Tokens will help to make with fruits, and ostrich will help you to hatch a pet of the age 40 to 50. It is so much good, as it's only 40% chance to that. If you will put 8 tokens in the garden, as you can see, I only put 2 tokens in my garden, and my bone blossom is so much big. It only have 4 mutations. It's almost 7 billion, which is so much good. And its total is not that much rare, so you can get that easily. And I have many other big plants, but they are some small. But you can see I also have them, and they are also better. And you can see a moon melon, rosy reptiles, and you can wait for the events and that some mutations to be rich. By the way, I'm not talking about that. I'm suggesting to that tokens those they might then do at next update. I hope they don't do, because General have told to put new seeds, and he can also put in the EXO or replace the others one. And also new seeds. The new seeds can come from the vent, and the seed shop. There will be 2 vents at Saturday. If you will see at Dhruva Garden description, there are 2 vents will come, and one is main and one is small. As my time, the first one will come at 7 at night, and the second will come at 7:30 at the night. As my time. And you need to buy this Petsar, so they will help you a lot. I think, but don't buy them with robots. Those it's not good. You can just grind this much, because they will help you in packing moves, and it's so rare. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.